Dinner was fantastic.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun.
Well, I ate and drank way too much.
Yeah, well,
When don't you?
yeah. She makes a good point.
Forget about it.
I love the timing on when you fuck up the timing on the rim shot.
Because I forgot I had it.
That was great. You're like, when don't you?
I literally went, when don't you? Oh shit, the rim shot.
Hey, what's the secret of comedy? Timing!
See, don't give me some with this fucking sound effects. I've been successful.
It's going to be like the morning zoo.
That was so
This
funny.
is the Bronx Zoo.
It's a couple of gorillas doing
Fucking
the
Mighty
maze.
Joe Young Part 3 right here.
This